welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So in today's video, I wanted to do a wash and go, of course, but I wanted to do a one product wash and go. Yeah, for those quick, easy on the go type of days, I want to do like a one product review and see how it holds up in my hair. So yes, that's what this video is all about today, and if you're interested, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so yes, I am doing a wash and go, but I'm only using one product. Y'all, it's either I'm using like 3 or 4 products, or I'm using like 2 to 3 products or something like that. But I don't think I've never used just like one product. I don't like to have my hair like with nothing, basically nothing in it. But I thought, for those times that I'm on the go, I'm in a rush and I really don't want to do much to my hair, or I want to still have some type of product in my hair, I'm like, hey, let's go ahead and try this out. So the product that I am using today is by the brand or the company Tgin, and it is this Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. Y'all, I love gels. They're not going away anytime soon, but since I am doing like using one product, I'd rather use a product instead of a cream. I'd rather just use a gel so I can at least have some type of hold. So this is the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel, of course, with rose water and acai berry. It's a medium holding style gel that reduces frizz, increases volume, and defines curls, kinks, and waves. I've never tried this product before, and this was like a little pretty penny. I don't think I've never spent this much for a gel. This one is $15. I will have it down the link in the description box if you're interested. Originally, I wanted to try the it's a gel by this brand, but it's the Styling Reparative Gel, I believe so. And you got to order it online. It wasn't in store because I got this from Ulta and it wasn't in the store. But anyway, so this is the product that we're going to be using today. Like I said, it is it was $14.99. I don't think I've never spent that much for a gel. Where's my brush? Okay, so I'm back. I got my brush. Let's see, it's like that much. It's 13 fluid ounces. So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna try it out and see. So I, of course, washed and conditioned my hair, and basically now, and I put in, y'all, hold on. I could not put a leave-in in. I had to because I'm scared, or I was a little nervous, or I'm a little nervous that this product doesn't have that much of a moisture barrier that I need for my hair if I want it to last at least like 4 to 5 days. So I did put a leave-in in my hair, so that's what that is. So I'm just really just brushing out my hair right now, making sure I get all the tangles and stuff out. So I have sectioned my hair, and to be honest, nowadays I really just prefer my hair to be damp, not soaking wet or whatever. So I'm gonna just leave it be. I'm gonna comb my hair out one more time. Okay, and I'm doing the raking method. I'm, like I said, easy on the go. I'm just gonna do a raking method with this product. The pump is hard to maneuver. Okay, it's not that thick of a consistency, if you can see, which is not bad. It's not sticky or anything. I do not compare this to my wet line because y'all know that's my jam or whatnot. But since it is more of a, it's in between a gel and a jelly to me. Like the texture of it, that's what it's giving me. It does slip through your fingers like really good, but I don't know, y'all. I honestly don't know because it's like, it's not a huge hold from what I'm getting in my hands right now. Okay, honestly don't know. What do y'all think right now? If you can see. It's like raking through really, really well, but I'm expecting more of a harder hold, and I don't think this is going to give me that hard hold like I wanted to. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I don't know. Okay, let's just keep going. We're going to keep going. So for people people with type 4 hair, honestly, I really don't think y'all will like this. Well, I have 4 type hair. I feel like I have 4 type A hair, but if you have anything A, B, or C, I really honestly don't think you would like it. It doesn't give like a good amount of hold to me that I would want, but I'm still giving it a try. We already got this so far, and I'm gonna still give it a try. Hopefully, you know, maybe it'll steer me wrong. And I'll know by tomorrow, day 2, when day 2 hair for me determines if I like a product or not, basically. So right now we're still gonna give it a try. I'm still gonna let it, you know, do its thing and see. Okay, so in the front of my hair, I like to shingle my hair, because my hair is a little bit more looser in the front. The curl pattern is, yeah, it's a different curl pattern from what it is in the back. So in this section right here, I will be shingling my hair. I'm just trying to make sure I comb all the stuff out, basically. Okay, so I am done. We're back and everything. So far as of right now, this product by itself alone, I don't know. I feel like I need a cream, but I'm not gonna do that. This is just a one product wash and go. So like I stated earlier, the true test for me is to see if my second day hair turns out great. No flakes, no frizz. Well, yeah, not a lot of frizz. It holds the curl really, really well, and it's not too like drying and everything. So, and that determines if my wash and go is gonna last a little bit longer. I want this to last at least up to 5 days if possible. So yeah, so I'll be back tomorrow. This is what my hair is looking like right now in its natural state. No frizz. It does have a hold, it's just not strong of a hold. It says like a medium hold. To me, I don't feel that, but we're gonna test it out and see. So yeah, this is what my curls are looking like right now, and I will be back tomorrow. So okay, so this is the next day, my second day hair, and as you can see, I have stretched and fluffed my hair. At first, my expectations for this wash and go, or this product that I use, was kind of on the low side, only because it had a lot of slip in this gel, and it wasn't a hard hold like I'm used to, like I prefer. So I was a little skeptical at first, or you know, on the first day, but you know, you gotta put it, to me, I put it to the true test on the second day, and my second day hair looks good in my opinion. I feel like I can make this wash and go last up to 5 days. I honestly think I can make it last up to 5 days. Now, I prefer in the future, I probably would use it by itself, but in the future I think I want to try with like a cream and an oil to like help seal it better to give it more of a defined look. This is giving me more of a fluffy look that it absolutely, which is cute, and I really like it. In the future, I'm gonna try it with some actual like other products to see how, you know, it coincides together. But overall, if I can give it out of a 5, I would give it like I would give it a 4. I would give it a 4 only because this is more of a soft hold and not like a hard hold or anything. But my curls look bomb. I actually like it. It was stretching my hair out. It gave me more of like a wave pattern, which I'm not mad at, which is really cute. And the curls on my hair is more of a soft feel from what I'm normally used to. But again, I've only used one product, and this is only for like a medium hold. So that's why I stated, like, for people with 3, or I probably didn't state this, but with type 3 natural hair, I think this will be a great product to use for you guys, because this is like enough hold to last days on end. I think, in my personal opinion, for people with 4 type hair, even though I like it and I feel like I've stated this, I'm gonna continue to state this, I feel like I have 4 type hair, 4A type hair, especially in the back, 4A type hair. I don't think people with my type of hair would necessarily like this by itself. I'm not gonna say alone. I'm not gonna say at all. I'm gonna say by itself. I don't think that, you know, you would like it per se, because it's not gonna give you the hold that you preferably are used to. But still try it out, still see how you like it, and then if you like it, try it out with your actual other products that you use in your routine and see how it goes. I will have it in the link below. So my overall review, or my first impressions as of right now, I like it. I like it. I think I like it a lot. I was kind of scared at first, but I actually think I like it a lot. But I'm put it to the truth test during the week and see how it goes. But overall, this is a good, you know, a good product. I am going to definitely be using, especially if I spend $15 on this. I'm definitely going to use this up, because this is the most I've ever spent. But besides that, this is by Tgin. Let me know in the comment section down below if you tried this particular gel. What are your thoughts? How you rate it and everything. I want to try the other one again and do like a comparison and see side by side which one is better. Overall, I am liking it so far. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video and watching it today. As you saw, my initial review on this one product, wash and go. If you enjoyed my video today, again, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below to my channel, and until next time, guys, bye.